Welcome back to FourWheelsEmpire. Today, we're diving into how to diagnose and fix the P0032 error code. If your check engine light is on and you're seeing this code, it means there's an issue with the oxygen sensor heater control circuit in your car. But don't worry, we're going to walk you through the entire process to fix it yourself. The P0032 code indicates that the engine control module ECM has detected a high voltage in the heater control circuit of the oxygen sensor. Specifically in Bank 1 Sensor 1, this sensor is crucial because it helps your engine run efficiently and reduces emissions. If it's not working properly, it could affect your fuel economy and cause your engine to run rough. A multimeter to test the electrical circuit. A scan tool for diagnosing and clearing the code. A socket wrench set for removing the old oxygen sensor. Jack and jack stands for safely lifting the vehicle. And, if needed, a new oxygen sensor specific to your vehicle. Safety is our top priority. Make sure your car is parked on a level surface, and use a jack and jack stands to safely lift and secure the vehicle. Disconnect the battery before you begin any work on the electrical system to avoid any accidents. First, let's confirm the code. Connect your OBD to scanner and check for the P0032 code. If it's present, we'll proceed with testing the oxygen sensor's heater circuit. Now, let's locate Bank 1, Sensor 1. It's typically the upstream sensor on the exhaust manifold. Closest to the engine, we'll start by checking the sensor's heater circuit. Using a multimeter, test the resistance across the heater circuit terminals. The resistance should be within the manufacturer's specified range. If it's out of range, the sensor might be faulty. If the sensor is good, the next step is to check the wiring and connectors leading to the sensor. Look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. If everything checks out, the issue could be with the ECM or a fuse related to the oxygen sensor circuit. If your sensor or wiring is faulty, it's time to replace the oxygen sensor. Carefully remove the old sensor using a socket wrench. Be mindful of the exhaust components, as they might still be hot. Install the new sensor by screwing it in place and reconnecting the wiring. With the new sensor in place, reconnect the battery and start your vehicle. Use the scan tool to clear the P0032 code. If the code doesn't return after a test drive, congratulations, you fixed the issue. And that's how you fix the P0032 code. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY car repair tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.